Today we are learning that how to speed up our PC, because if we start our PC, it is taking much time to open, and the circular rounding is the rounding on the PC, and it is the taking much time. This is the opening for PC. Another things, if you are working in the AutoCAD, any the versions, there is a much problem because is AutoCAD is the misbehaving us, because we are our cursor here to here, then it's vibrating. Sometimes if we are giving the some commands, then it's activating, taking too much times. This is the many problems there. But it's the very small solutions, just a few steps. Every day before, after start your PC, every day you have to repeat these things. Means you make it in your habits like that. So how do we solve it? The first, the window plus R you select from your keyboard, then you will see. Otherwise you type percent 10%, like that, same like that you type, then hit OK. You will see that temporary files here, then control plus A, select to all, then shift plus delete. Shift plus delete means this will be permanently delete from your PC, and hit and OK. OK, here then again you check it and skip it, left it. Next, same you again repeat, window plus. Here, now you write just a temp, then OK. Again you see, then control A. Me already cleaned my computer, that's why the not showing, otherwise so many files will be show in your computer if you are using AutoCAD. Okay, then again shift please delete and enter. Okay, then check it here and skip it here. Here will be not delete because already I deleted all the files here. Then two steps completed here. Third, you go to third step from your PC. Here, if you are here, if you are using Windows 10 or previous, then you will find the here option for cleaning the disk. Otherwise, if you are using Windows 11, then you have to go to your control panel, then system and security, click to here, then you give free up disk space. Here just say OK, you select here all the or check the all boxes, okay, then just say OK, click OK. Okay, it's there, see cleanup drive window. So sometime wait, wait, it's progressive. Yes, it's progressive. You wait until it's progressive. Yes, it's finished now. So this third step is the finish. Fourth step is the come here, then say optimize once, twice, every your disk twice. Maybe you have more than 4 or 5, how many parts of your disk? I have only these 3. Then optimize once, twice, then once, second time. Okay, optimized driver, disk driver. Now you can close from here. Okay. Other things in the Windows 11, again you have to click here, write temp. You see the delete the temporary file here. Wait some time. It's collecting the data. Is this the enter progress? Yes, it's finished. You see the temporary file, then click to here. You select all files, but don't select the download because it will be remove or deleted your the download folders. Maybe you downloaded something from the net. Okay. So again here click remove file. Yes. Okay. Once you can check again, refresh. Yes. Again once. Okay. It's finished now. Now close from here. You can restart here and start your work. Your PC will be fine. So every day, early morning, when you start first time your computer, your PC, then you always make the habit to repeat these things. Always. Then it will be very fine your PC. And there some free softwares they are clean like the WearCare and I have also here one software. So every day optimize the my drivers and some paid version like the CC cleaners like that. So if you want to download the paid versions, then you can use the CC cleaner is I think is the very good, and free versions are 2 or 3 is the driver optimized, and the PC cleaners that you will get the link below the my description. I'm providing to you. You use if anything you want to ask.